All right. We're here for the 3 p.m. close on Wednesday. It's 3:10 right now. So, still the same thing in this weekly time frame. We're right on top of these last leg volume points of control back inside the summer consolidation. We are currently in an uptrend. The market is long. We see that on the daily, the market put in this very strong signature and has since blasted off to the upside without returning. Now the auction has began to slow, and we are starting to grind higher after a pullback into this daily gap. The daily last leg volume point control has migrated higher, and we're seeing contested buyers and sellers with this channel higher. We have stops here and here. And now again, we've tested it today. So we see that we have a swing here and we have a swing here. So we tested into the wick. First off, on this 4-hour time frame, we see the buyer push higher, and then we see a seller step in after a sweep and push out of this channel. We see this buy gap get filled in. Then the buyer reappears, retest into the gap, push higher, push right into the seller. We kind of sell lower. We do a manipulation lower, which I've marked. Then break. We break right above this seller and don't and do a brief retest right here. But we see the swing here was picked by a seller. So now currently we're seeing if this seller has control for another test lower. On the M60, we have a Nash channel higher, and we see that the volume, last leg volume point of control, has shifted higher inside of this channel. We have an untested mean threshold right here at 56, and we're still grinding higher inside this channel. So if this channel breaks, then we could see selling for a counter trend short. We could also see the market test into this untested mean threshold in this balanced environment and find short time frame sellers there. But we still have this vulnerable location above that I've been dragging over for quite some time now. So ultimately, we have a bias to be long on the higher time frame. On the M15 chart, we see that the market blasted higher into the open, then sold off and retested into the sellers and has sold. Now we see the buyers, the sellers pushed into what's basically the 50% of this wick right here. Rejected, retested higher into. Thanks.
All right.
I'm not talking to anyone. I'm just talking to myself.
All right. Just want to make sure. All right, you're all set. You got
All
a
right.
Wi-Fi extender down there. There's
Cool.
the router's in there, and there's one upstairs now, so it's covering
yeah.
the whole house.
That's awesome.
All right.
Yeah, thank you. Is
All
it
right.
fiber optic or what's?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just upgraded to say you wanted to get like the true speeds, because she got like the 5 gig.
Mhm.
You're not gonna get it through the wireless.
Yeah.
It's not perfected yet.
So what does she have to do?
If you hardwire your computer,
Ethernet.
Ethernet out of the router, you
The router's in here, or it's in?
No, it's inside.
Okay,
You have
so
to come through the wall with an Ethernet.
yeah, I got you.
Yeah, but you have to get a special card too for the computer, like
Oh.
a 10 gig card,
Really?
or you won't get the speeds.
10 gigabyte card, graphics card, or
No, Ethernet card.
oh, Ethernet
You
card.
have to install it in the computer.
Okay.
So and then you.
This
get
computer's a
speeds.
beast, as you could probably tell.
Yeah, so put the card in it. It's like $100.
Okay.
And then just get like a short piece of Cat 6.
Yeah.
And just throw it in.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of the day.
See ya, you too. So, market tests back higher into this last known seller, and now we're just chopping in the middle. We have a balanced profile here, so there's no reason to suspect that the market is going to leave balance today. This is like a scalper's paradise. So, yeah, we're really not going to be doing much here, it seems, except for just watching. Unless we get a blast off into here. This is a half size trade. Half size short there. I mean, if it gets up there, that would be pretty surprising. It's been ugly. Ugly trading day. Holy shit, man. But I think the overnight session was all right, right? It was trending upwards. So, rounded pullback here. Untested, untested. We got one here. Untested. This one would have survived. Untested, untested. Look at that. Once this closes like that, that's not good. It's fucking craziness. Ugly. 8:30. Oh my god. So this is like somewhat of a location. $88 below the low a day. All right. First thing we got is 50 squats. Where are my little baby weights? I guess they're gone. All right. Da 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 dee da dee da. Da dee da dee da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, so I see a setup. It's this sweep. It's an M60 Nash channel continuation. So it would be a reversal trade inside of this location. Would have to see pro bar behavior on a sweep into this 40 that aligns here. All right. That is a structured trade for me. But I want to see a very strong behavior. Sweep vulnerable location into M1 pro bar gap, followed by pro bar signature. We're going to call this a B grade trade. It is just a mean reversion setup. That's simply all it is. All right, we got through what's probably the hardest part of that workout, because those squats will make me not walk for a while. So it's a mean reversion trade. Nash channel continuation on the M60. And the target is VPOC. We're going to do side delts. And we're going to do 20 reps every minute and a half. We're going to do it 5 times. And I'm not going to be dropping the weight in between. The only reason to drop the weight is if I have to for trading purposes. So yeah, we're looking for IB low pick. We're looking for these swings to be picked, IB low to be picked, prior high to be picked, and a solid test into this location followed by a reversal structure. And that will be the long. And then the target is probably going to be here, untested, right? Untested, gap, target. Nash channel continuation, long, location, must see pro bar reversal after location sweep. Wow, my typing is painful. Damn, that's fucking tough. I love it, baby. So we see multiple capper patterns holding down a tight auction lower, which will set up the sweep and a potentially change in state of delivery. Let's get some good form reps here. Crowbar wick. Not good. Not good. All right. So we did get the sweep. We got the signature. It's a high variance trade, looking for a very quick break even. Let's see what we get out of this. We got a VPOC shift here. Wow. So basically we're going to want to get scaled there. And if this breaks, then we have a potential entry. But I'll take this too. That's no problem. All right, so it missed. But it did test and reject, so now the entry is going to look like 53 if we could break and hold a 57 and retest 53. All right, we got curls. Whoa. All right. That's not fun. I'm just going to wrap it up. Merge those. Add that. Longs. 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 All right. Let's clean this up a bit. Long pin candle sweep. And stopped. Try to long MT. Missed by a point. Long gap and inversed pro-bar wick. Stopped. My higher time frame bias is long, and we have an untested location with multiple confluences for intraday sweeps that could lead to a mean reversion long. The best part of this trade is having trust in my system and allowing these trades to play out. The worst part of this trade is missing the entry on the winner by 1 point. No rules broken. The first entry that I took is very, very aggressive. It's so aggressive that I have to be willing to get stopped out constantly. Nash channel continuation strikes again. I think I have to cut this playbook. Strategies 12. I caught one accidental huge winner, which made it positive. I have a win rate of 20%. My location got tagged 39. This was my trade plan. All right. I'm out of here.